The HEPHI3D Wi-Fi 3D printer is an innovative device that offers wireless printing capabilities through its smart app, making it ideal for beginners and tech enthusiasts alike. This printer is fully open source, compatible with multiple software options, allowing users to customize and upload models seamlessly for printing. With its ultra-quiet printing function, the HEPHI3D printer ensures a noise-free environment while achieving a fast print speed of up to 150 millimeters per second. The auto-leveling feature simplifies the setup process, and the resume printing function ensures continuity even after power interruptions. Equipped with a heatable platform and advanced cooling system, it enhances the quality of prints by preventing warping and ensuring smooth filament feeding. This versatile printer is perfect for a variety of applications, from educational purposes to creative DIY projects, making it a valuable tool for hobbyists and professionals.